Here in Dublin, two physicists from a Zurich startup are using a new method to detect radioactivity in containers. The technical infrastructure is tucked inside this inconspicuous-looking vehicle.
These two devices pick up gamma rays, and in these boxes are detectors, one for fast and one for thermal neutrons.
The installation recognizes when radioactive freight passes by.
If we find an increased level of radiation, we can stop the object. If a source is detected, we can determine in a minute what kind of material is involved.
When the machine detects radiation, an alarm goes off. In this case, it's cesium and cobalt, materials the physicists brought along for the test. The monitors can also spot uranium, plutonium or radiological components for dirty bombs. The information gathered allows operators to rule out a detected plutonium source being a ready-to-go nuclear weapon. The monitors are part of the EU-funded MODES SNM system, developed by a consortium including Zurich-based Arktis Radiation Detectors Limited and customs experts.
The standard procedure for screening maritime containers is through fixed portals. So it requires containers to be brought to the portals. In certain situations, that is impossible. So with a mobile system such as this, the system can be brought to the containers.
Not all radiation found in containers is a health threat. Cargoes of mildly radioactive cat litter, fertilizer, ceramic tiles and even Brazil nuts are not stopped for inspection.
We're concerned about the health and safety of citizens in addition to the security of states. And it is important to be able to distinguish between these and the innocent materials which also contain naturally occurring radiation.
The American and British governments have already contracted to buy the first prototypes, costing about £500,000 apiece. But Arktis, a spin-off from the Federal Technology Institute ETH Zurich, has yet to turn a profit. CEO Rico Chandra says some contracts with the US have clauses that allow contracts to be terminated at any moment. These have resulted in losses for Arktis. Even so, the company has a bright future. It's found a niche in the market based on ordinary citizens' fears of nuclear contamination and governments' efforts to reassure them.